Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Avn and today we're gonna learn about sorting. So, I have a figure about the sorting. Here, I can show you it. Okay, so anyways, here's the picture. So, in order to do binary searching, where is it? Yeah, we need the blackboard because in order to do binary searching, we first have to do basic sorting. And then if we can do basic sorting, we can go on to binary searching then. Okay? So, let's do the basic sorting. Okay? So, we, what is it again? I need to delete all drop. Let's start the program I meant to say. So anyways, what I'm going to do is first make empty list. Numbers equals to blah blah blah. You guys know this. Total numbers equals it. Bracket input. Bracket quotation marks enter your total. After that, for I in range, copy. What is this? Total numbers. You guys know what to do. So number equals to it. Bracket in what? Bracket quotation marks into your number. After that, all we have to do, you guys know it. Numbers dot append number. Now print numbers. Numbers. So now here's where the basic sorting starts. You know what to do. So we have a list, like two. Two, three, two, and then that's it. Now, let's do something else. Let's do this again. Let's make something else. Like, oh my. Clear this drawing. This is bad. Yeah. Like this, we have a list. Now, one, we can say 0, right? -1, and then 10. Let's see. So what we have to do is that we have to order it. First, what comes is -1. Okay? Then 0. Then 1. Then 10, right? So what we're gonna first do is the ascending order. On my next video, we're gonna do descending order. So first of all, what do we do? This is list 1. This is the list 2, which we're about to make. So the first step is find the minimum number. After finding it, cross that and put it into list 2. Now find what's the second minimum number? 0. Cross it and put it into list 2. Right? Then the third is, now it's the minimum number 1. So put it into list 2, then cross it. So now it's just 10. That's how you order it. Okay? So let's start the coding. Numbers 2 equals to the list. Now, for I in range, total numbers. All we have to do is minimum equals 2 min whole numbers. Okay, that's what we do. No, numbers I meant to say. Then what we have to do is numbers with up and minimum. Then delete. So basically remove from numbers. So then all we have to do is print numbers 2. So 3, -1, 10, then 2. See? And now see. -1, then 2, then 10. So this is the ascending order. This is how we do it. I can do it again. So let's write 5, -1, -10. Okay. Let's do this again. Negative, God, 5, -10, 3, -1, 2, then 5. See? -10 because that's the least, then -1, 2, 3, 5. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about my video about how to sort the list in ascending order. I'm gonna make another video about descending order. Okay, descending order is really easy. Okay, I'll tell you that. All you have to do is like, instead of putting minimum, put max. It's that easy. Okay? So thank everyone. I hope you like it and bye!